Ever notice your treadmill belt appearing worn, slipping, or emitting peculiar sounds? Perhaps it's time for a change. Welcome to Flex Fixes, your trusted partner in Dubai for fitness equipment solutions. To determine if your treadmill belt needs replacing, look for signs of wear and tear such as fraying, splits, or unevenness. Assess for any misalignment or slipping during your run. Then press down on the belt. If it's too relaxed or feels overly tense, it might be time to consult professionals. At Flex Fixes, we offer top-notch treadmill belt replacement services at pocket-friendly prices. Don't wait until your treadmill breaks down entirely. Maintain your workout safety and efficiency with our assistance. For treadmill restoration to prime condition, visit us or give us a call today. Flex Fixes, quality and affordability at your service in Dubai.